What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super simple Caesar salad right after this. My name is Jay, and this is BROIL LA. So to get started on our homemade Caesar salad, we need to start on our croutons. So all I did was I took a couple of sandwich rolls and I just shredded them up with my hands. I really like that rustic feel with a homemade salad. So to that, I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the top and then also sprinkle some garlic powder and Parmesan cheese. We're gonna give that a quick mix just so everything's well combined, and then put that in an oven at 375 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes so they can crisp up. While our croutons are crisping up in the oven, we're gonna make our salad dressing. Now, the most crucial element of a homemade Caesar salad is that amazing Caesar salad dressing. Now, I'm actually gonna be using a smoothie blender cup as opposed to doing it by hand. You could do it by hand, but it's really hard to get the consistency just right. So in a cup, I'm gonna be adding 1 raw egg yolk, along with 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, 1 fillet of anchovie that's canned, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, half of a teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're then gonna pop this in our blender and blend it until it's really smooth. After blending, we're gonna put our dressing in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes just so it can cool down and thicken up. All right, so our dressing has now chilled in the freezer for a few minutes. It's a lot thicker now that it's cooled down. Blending something for that long can actually heat it up. That's why some people make soups in the blender. So you need to make sure that you cool it down, especially a dressing with egg yolk in it. So now we can assemble our salad. So in a large metal bowl, I have 1 head of romaine lettuce that I've chopped into strips. And one mistake that I see a lot of people making with their salads is they don't really season their salad enough before dressing it. So to our romaine lettuce, I'm gonna sprinkle in some salt and pepper and a squeeze of lemon juice. You don't need much, maybe just a half teaspoon of each, but when you're starting with something as bland as romaine lettuce, you wanna make sure it's seasoned well. So another missed opportunity I see a lot of people do with their salads is they don't put enough herbs inside of the salad itself. So what I love doing is I love taking some parsley and just ripping up the leaves and putting it inside. This will add a nice pepperiness to the final product. All right, so after that, we're gonna add in our dressing and give this a really good mix. Now that our salad is mixed, I'm gonna throw in a few of our croutons and just give it one last turn. I don't wanna put the croutons in before mixing it all together. I don't want them to soak up too much of that dressing. We're then gonna transfer it over to our serving bowl and finish it off with some Parmesan cheese. So the secret to making your very own Caesar salad at home is to start off by making your croutons by toasting some bread with some garlic powder and Parmesan cheese, and then making your own salad dressing with egg yolks, anchovies, and garlic. We then mix it all together with some romaine lettuce and parsley, and there you have a really special homemade Caesar salad. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to give it a like, and let me know if you have any suggestions for future episodes in the comments down below. You can click this button to subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other videos over here. My name is Jay, and this is BROIL LA.